Hello everyone, this is KHonestReviewHub, and today I'm going to give you my honest review on the Wetheny 2-tier fruit basket. What I love is that these baskets actually do swing and sway, making grabbing fruit or other items out of these baskets super easy. The black matte finish is super attractive, and it is made out of 100% iron, which is rust and moisture proof, which is extremely important, especially when storing fruit and vegetables. We use this for snacks, but you can easily store fruits, vegetables. You can use it in your bathroom for storage. There are countless uses. I would highly recommend this fruit basket.